Eating my nutrients this morning while everybody was stacking up on tissues and shit. I was stacking up on fruits and veggies and, feel me? Cause that's the way to do it. But hey, where you tapped in from? What's good? What's good? Happy Sunday. Let me get that music cracking. You feel me? What's this, the Nas 100? Hey, you see a call. Run it up.
Champ. One time.
Let me run that back.
Champ.
Shit. Hey, it's 100 niggas on here already in 1 minute.
One time.
That shit funny. Hey, what's
Say
the
they run the world.
Trade gang was good.
Say they run the world.
Let me run that back one more
Say
time.
they run the world. Champ.
Oh, it's crazy.
One time.
We got enemy code going for you too. What's good?
Say they run the world.
I'ma start off looking at that Nas 100.
Say they run the world.
Hey, where you tuned in from?
Motherfucker. Yeah, say they run the world, but they don't run shit. Yeah, say they about that life, but what life for you living? Flexing for the gram, but your gram ain't real. Yeah, flexing for the prize, ain't shit, okay? Say they run the world, but they don't run shit. Yeah, say they about that life, but what life for you living? Flexing for the gram, but your gram ain't real. Flexing for the prize, but the prize ain't shit. If you a lame, can't hang with a dude like me. I been changing lanes, but whatever that means. On my day to day, making waves like the sea. So many different plays. Some days I play it by ear. Ay, skip to my loot like I skip to the beat. Skip one, skip you, skip her and pick three. Ay, fuck a plan A if you ain't got a plan B. And fuck a plan C if you forget the planning. I mean the game is all business. I'm straight without your niggas. I'd rather roll the dice and fuck with some real ones. I'd rather take
y'all
a
hella
jump
lit though.
and say that I did it.
What? Nigeria, Chicago, Buffalo. Okay, somebody said Nasdaq, easy call. But nah, so check it. This is what I've been looking at on Nasdaq. So just looking monthly, right? I always look left to see where we're at or see where we've been going. I know people have been complaining about this shit. Let me move this over here for today. Then I'll move it back. There we go. There it is. Hey, and if somebody sent some trade game music in too, we're gonna bang that too while I'm looking at this Nas, but I seen it coming to 61.85. I always look left, you feel me? I know we're right here right now, just have some old support, feel me? So price kind of already broke it to this channel. Like I said, just looking at it monthly. So we'll see if it breaks this point right here. What is this price? Shit, you're gonna get heavy sales to the downside on that joint. But like I said, I just see it dropping still. It's really no sign of like the market kind of stopping right now. You feel me? But this is just reading. I know they like, it's candlesticks. And yeah, I'm gonna show you something too as to where it could be a reversal. So you always look out for reversals as well. You feel me? But like I said, right now, nigga, this market, like what's going on? Why you got Trump injecting cash into the market? It's all type of wild shit going on right now. So you literally, like, you kind of got to trade what you see at this point. Like a lot of people, you try to bring in your technicals, you try to bring in everything you want to bring into the market. Like I said, I'm an economist first. So when what I bring into the market is just looking at the economy from a whole. That's kind of my expertise. That's what, you know, if people want to know my secret sauce, that's my secret sauce. Like I study the world, I study what's going on. You know, you guys be tapped into the worlds, man. You know, that's what's gonna keep you ahead of the game. All right. But like I said, so looking daily, we got bears right now. Oh, I wanted to show you something on the hour too. I wanted to show you something on the hour too. I wanted to show you something on the hour too. We can do it on the 2 hour. All right. So there's always these little reversals in the market too. So always be where those reversals be. Always be where the reversals. I don't know where the point is for this, huh? Let me see. I'm trying to build that shit. Give me a second. There we go. You be trying to find them shit sometimes. Sometimes it is what it is and sometimes it's not. You feel me? But I mean, it's a possibility that it could just reverse or pull back just because, I mean, that's the nature of the market. when the market opens, it either gaps up or gaps down. So it could just pull back, fake everybody out, and continue dropping down. You feel me? But what I see, just on some trending shit, like, it's the NAS 100 too. So, like, what pair is this? NAS 100. All right. He said, could you show us how to set a sell limit and a sell limit order with a stop loss? I mean, he said, dude, if you right click on your chart, go to setting, go to appearance, go to horizontal invert lines, change to black, your chops will pop. I mean, I already changed it to black, right? I'm gonna go to a different pair. With your sell limit, go to your MetaTrader or some shit and just where it says market execution, change it from market execution to a sell limit and throw a stop loss on there. It's simple, bro. Like, I mean, that's what it is. Oh yeah. Who? All right, what was that? Hey, Nee, what was that? That chick who sent in the song. What was her name? Natasha. Yo, hey, shout out to Natasha too. She sent in some flame. I'm about to bang that joint real quick. Where's the I'm about to bang her shit real quick. Let me see. I think I already. Here it is, right here.
Cali Kush, gotta spark it up. Hey, yeah. Trade gang, you can't walk with us. Hey, trade gang, you can't spark with us. Hey. Brand new whip, had to start it up. Brand new chart, had to mark it up. Trade gang, you can't walk with us. Damn. Cali Kush, had to spark it up. Now niggas wanna talk us up. Same niggas wanna target us.
Hey, you can't say this shit not a bop.
Why they mad? They ain't sharp as us. They don't really work hard as us. They can move as smart as us.
Trade gang shit, what's up?
Damn, that sucks and I picked the buck. Then I don't really trust. Then we still bust. Whole lot of pips, whole lot of money, a whole lot of bitch, whole lot of song, whole lot of kick, whole lot of criminal, whole lot of chicks, whole lot of vibes, whole lot of text, whole lot of criminal, 2 minutes less, whole minute text, whole lot of text, how many coming to 2 minutes size, whole lot of things, my team be catching a whole lot of pigs, my team be catching a whole lot of pigs,
and it's a rough too, this shit fire.
We catch a whole lot of pips. 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 We catch a whole lot of pips.
That shit fire as fuck, nigga. When she was there, we catch a whole lot of pips. Like, oh, that shit. Hey, that's a little bop though. That's a bop. I ain't even gonna flex. Feel me? So we're on this Euro USD. All right, I always check the daily. I always check the monthly. All right, so I always know it's a possibility. Like when I look at the monthly, I always look at just where the market could go. Feel me? Knowing that it could test this point. So I always know where it could go as a possibility. Like, okay, it could test this point. I do know that for every market drop, there's always a fucking retest as well. You know what I'm saying? So the market could open. The NAS 100 could retest up because it's showing bears right now. So it could retest up. You feel me? And that could be the price smacking 105 or 104. Although it is in this area. So when it's trending down, that has made a lower low on the monthly. So at a lower low also on the monthly, you know it's a lower low. So outside of that, if the NAS 100 keeps dropping, if the dollar keeps dropping, then it will reverse back up. And like what this doji candlestick right here means is like we got pressure to the upside. So it's like we got the green, or we got bull pressure to the upside, all right, to 108, and then price just got rejected, got pushed back down, and then came back up. So that's what price basically did, and that's where it's sitting right now. So that was what happened during that hour or during that day. So it's like it shot up and it shot back down already. So in a sense, that's what that doji is showing us. Is like it's showing green, but I mean, shit, we just gotta see. All right, so here's some support right here. So price could come up, just complete this shit. What is this right here? 108. Could tap 108 again and just sit at 108 if it don't break through. You feel me? Just as a retest. He said, I like that joint. It's really about USD. You ever trade long? Is tracing trades before gaps a good idea? Like, I don't really trade on Sunday. You feel me? Like, if I see an opportunity, I will, but I like to let the market just kind of move so I can see what's going on. Like, okay, that's the wave of the ocean. Ah, okay, cool. Boom, I know where it's trending. You feel me? So, some people, like, they wait, but I mean, they get in right on Sunday. But me, I let the market move and do what it's gonna do. Like I said, if I see an opportunity, then yeah, I can take it, but I'm not gonna go crazy. But I definitely see like a retrace coming as a possibility, but long term, boom. What's that? 105. So that's only, 105. If it doesn't continue to the upside. All right. So what's the next one? You see? Selling this shit down. Where'd I have that shit going back to? No, it's not smacking 137 or 140. All right, so there's just some old markups that I had and shit. This is on a monthly, so you probably like, what are you doing? Well, I'm on a monthly right now. When I play my breakout game, it's literally the same thing that I'm playing on every time frame. For me, I know uptrend is going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So on every part of an up or a downtrend, there's always a retrace. So right now, I know that UC pushed up to a monthly high. That's this 146 area over here. So it did push up to, I think, what was that? 146. Let me see, what's this height? 146.721. So that's a monthly high. So with it reaching that monthly high, we already knew that bear pressure was gonna come in. Now price is at 143, getting close back to, what is this 140 area. So we'll see if that shit wants to come down to this 140 area. You feel me? We'll see if the sell-off continues. But just in that downtrend right now, like this was the triple top, boom, 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 boom. Shit broke to the downside, boom, coming back up, so it could continue like this. I know that was all ugly, but it is what it is. Somebody said trade game. Who said Forex? Look at the title. Easy call. Somebody said GU, GU, GU. Shit, I was buying the shit out of GU off the bottom. Feel me? I have some big shit in on GU. And then, shit, motherfuckers start retracing at the bottom. So it's like I should have closed out of a lot of bread. But being greedy, I only got, I got a nice amount, but I didn't really get what I could have got if I would have just closed out at the bottom. But it's like, shit, sometimes I play loose stops too, you know? I've been waiting for UC to come down. Bro, UC been coming down, bro. It already hit that monthly high. So this is just a retrace right now. You feel me? We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. It looks like a retrace. Like the next point will be 142. For sure, for sure. And then the next point was this 140. Yeah, that's 140 right there, yeah. Let's see what this is. Like 140.046. Okay, that's cool. What I think about USD Mexican, I've been seeing that shit drop. I've been seeing that joint drop, bro. GJ is doing the same thing as GU. I think that shit's retracing right now too. You gotta think, all these pairs. So the reason for the retrace, look, the reason for all of these retraces that are happening right now is because all of these pairs have either hit monthly highs or monthly lows. So that's a monthly high. You're gonna have big retraces coming, like off the monthly. That's, man, the retraces that are coming are fucking insane, you know? He said, oh, I think it's gonna keep going down. Well, we'll just have to see. I know it's at its retrace right now, so we just gotta watch it. You know what I'm saying? That's why my eyes just sit back and wait, let the market move a little bit, and once it shows me where I can get in, I get in. A lot of people you guys try to hunt early, and that's cool, but I'm a fucking well, G. Feel me? I don't mind. He said, what's the best broker to trade with? Pound Swiss. Yeah, Forex is way better than stocks, bro. Everybody in the stock game losing all type of bread right now. They don't know what to do. Yeah. I'll look at Pound Swiss for you. Stock game tripping right now. There's all type of shit going on. Forex traders are like, yeah, bro. So, what'd you say about those stocks, kid? You hear me? Forex will always be about better than stocks. He said, am I considering Eurozone next money inject? Not sure. I know they about to inject more money into the US though. For sure, for sure. Inflate the shit out of the dollar. That's funny. How long did I back test before I went live? I just went live. I didn't back test. I front test, bro. How do you know which direction the next candlestick is gonna go? You have to watch it, bro. I mean, go learn your Japanese candlesticks, man, and just wait for the reversals. Like, it will show you, the market will show you when it's gonna reverse. So, uptrend, come on, we're gonna break this shit down. It's down, up. I mean, I'm tripping, that's a downtrend. Uptrend is up, retrace, up, and then retrace, up, and then retrace, and then up, and then retrace. So it's two, that's an uptrend. You feel me? A downtrend is the exact opposite. It goes down and then it retraces. So this shit is just simple. You feel me? Simple. He said, you think a recession coming? Shit, look, bro, look around, bro. It's not even about thinking, bro. Like, all right, so like, it's two sides to monopoly, G. Like, it's two sides to monopoly. Let me tell you, it's two sides of monopoly. You got the bank, you feel me? And when the bank runs out of money, if it ever runs out of money, it just prints more notes. And then you got, you know, the real estate agent. So you got to pick a side you want to be on. Everybody else is just a player in the game. So, you know, I chose the bank. So you said, do I suggest Pepper Song? It's cool. How much is the Thai Forex course? I don't know. They trying to scam in my name, nigga. Somebody out there trying to sell under my name. Shit. Crazy. He said, you ever consider doing a account flip video? Don't I got account flip videos, bro? The fuck? What's the, oh, we was looking at this pair. Okay, yeah, it's retracing. Or it looks like it already has retraced to 117. So it's a possibility it could come back here. Already retrace. So maybe it'll, or keep going, but that's a doji. So I'm not the guy who's gonna guess off the doji. I know a lot of people try to guess off of dojis, bro, but to me this is a doji, and this means that this is indecisive. So yeah, but when I looked at the daily, I did see that retrace there. You feel me? Like I seen it already had retraced previously, and then also just looking at like the 3 hour, that's this right here. So it's like it cracked the high, so it could be waiting. I do see that the pressure did push up and then kind of set back right here. So if we get a break above here, it's definitely gonna come back to 116, and especially if pound dollar and pound what's the other shit, pound dollar and pound yen, if those pairs start retracing, then pound Swiss is gonna retrace back up with it. So you could buy all three pairs if they start retracing back up, but before you start buying or selling anything, you need to wait for the your whatever analysis it is to tell you to either buy or sell. You feel me? And then move on that. And that's what I do. You want to know what my checking balance system is? It's waiting, and I'm really good at being patient for the market to show me where it wants to go. You did? And I mean coat, traded and I mean coat. In Versace robes, young and out of control.
And I mean coat. And I mean coat.
I got you. I'm about to look at gold right now.
Izzy, you go hard.
And I mean coat, traded and I mean coat. In Versace robes, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, traded and I mean coke. In Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Ay, 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 ay.
This a 3 hour.
Every day, pay day, wait day. Never on the way. That's just an S to the V to the J. Running around me, bitch, I stay with the check. Honey, breathe, peace, bitch, I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max. I'm in the market, in D with the packs, little bitch. I got Forex tatted on my tempo. You can see info, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hang a line in the market, it's a lynch, bro. We in the field with 2 score with the big dress. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. In Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. In Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey yo, don't be stupid. Lane to lane swerving in a phantom, I'm ruthless. Rich nigga shit, I'm the owner. How you?
All right, so what I was doing was marking up gold. Basically, I threw support and resistance on top of old wicks, old price range. I know that gold has been trading within the range. So what's cool about gold is, shit, some days in gold you'll get 100 pips like this. That's just because gold will move fucking $10 in 3 minutes. It's just the nature of gold. So right now the range of gold is in between, what is this range right here? 1513 and what is this bottom? Let me get closer right here. Let me put a tag on that. 1466. So that's the range of gold. All right. So I mean, that's the range right now, right? And currently prices at what, 1500? We'll call it 1500. It's 1499. So we'll see what range gold will be trading in. But I know a lot of investors have been selling gold to get some of their money just so they can go put cash into other assets. You feel me? So that's what it is right there. But definitely, yeah, that's there too. That's a possibility, but we're looking at right here, bro. So what's that? Market open, coming to 9.5. So it already got close to 9.5 for the retest, and it already retested off of there 2 times. So boom, what's this price? 14.9, which is at right now. So if it breaks, it will go to 513, or to get more on the wicks, 510. So in between 510 and 513. If price breaks 15. So also, like I said, I just feel like people are looking at gold as a safe haven still, but not like gold bonds or gold like gold shit like that, but like actual gold, like the actual price of gold. So as the demand in gold gets higher, like the price of gold is gonna get higher because the price goes up with the demand. You feel me? So who am I exposing next on IG? Nobody. I already had that. I already had it out with who I need to have it out with. Feel me? You see my last Instagram post. My last Instagram post lit. GU. All right, we'll do GU. Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. You said Rothschild. Shit. Well, you see what GU is doing on its retrace right now. So the reason it's going back up is, let me tell you, GU dropped to a low. You feel me? One of its lowest lows. So that's the reason for the price literally retracing back up right now. Go to the 5, 15. It's gonna get that retrace. So look at it on a monthly. All right, that's your monthly retrace. I said it was gonna come back to 121. I don't know if it's gonna come back to 121, but we'll see. So this is something old I had on here, but that's where I had to go in. This is a monthly chart. So you're like, oh, what are you looking at? We're looking at the monthly chart on GU. All right, so it's nothing that, I mean, look, it could continue dropping. But there's like shit, nothing for it to connect to. So if it just keeps dropping, then shit, it'll drop until whenever it wants to stop. But as of right now, I know GU's retracing. Feel me? So let's look at the weekly. We're getting our retrace. I mean, well, you can't really see it on the weekly, but on the daily, you can see the retrace, and you see it came thundering through to 119. So it almost got close to basically that. Well, shit, this wick right here got close, but no dice. So I'm thinking it's gonna try to push back up there again. So that's the 4, but you see it's making higher highs, not lower lows. So in a sense, it's doing that on the retrace, because boom, boom, boom. That's where we're at right now. Even if it was dropping, we're still here. You feel me? So Forex moving like NASCAR though.
Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars. Yeah, you know we got the fast cars. Big bank take little bank, nigga, and we pass stars. Yeah, we big like the stock cars. Yeah, we big like the Walters, and we big like the Rothschilds. Wrong move, get knocked out. Stock prices going up, it's a stockpile. Spent $1 million on some new stock. Money on my schedule like TikTok. Watch the way I rip in my wrist lock. I eat and take meals, I'm a big shark. Fuck you hauling for, I'm about to cash out. Money on my mind, I'm a cash cow. Forex bust down and I bust down. Life like
GJ,
a town, I don't walk loud.
I got you.
Keep the tully on me in the underground.
It's fucking lit on here, G.
Underground. Pull a lever in it, flood and make the profit drown. Talking big money, nigga, you don't hear the sound. Hey, now they on my way.
We need more folks on here though. I'm gonna get more lit.
Hey, that's straight.
He said I got this on my Spotify.
Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars. Yeah, you know we got the fast cars.
All right, you said GJ? GJ should be doing the exact same thing. The exact same thing.
Put our feet on the dash, white toes. Cocaine things hitting like gold.
On the 4 hour, it looked like it's coming to retest, but it already did, which was here.
On paper, I'm rich, I'm cold, bitch. All paper, 2 up, 2 zones, bitch. We in trade land. Barter system cracking with the weight, man. Look, only talking cold with the plays, man. Move money like money with the cage, man. Bitch, we in trade land.
Okay, so hit it twice. Easy call. So I'm just looking at the retest going on right now, but you definitely can see the uptrend. My girl in there watching Tommy the Clown. Stay be lit in there. So no, it's ugly because I got other shit on here. I mean, you can kind of see the retrace happening right now. You can see what part the market's in right now. You can go into a smaller time frame and see the higher highs being made. And that's how you know when the reversal's coming, because the higher highs come in. You feel me? So it is what it is. You should Instagram story got your songs on there too. Hey, what's good? You know, you make me wanna. Face that Euro USD. He said, hey Ty, could you please explain retest, please? Okay, so check this out. So all retests are every time the market moves up or down, it's always gonna come back to retest, or possibly it's a possibility it's gonna come back to retest. All retesting is price returning to a certain point. So when we're looking at the candlesticks, or we're looking at line graphs, or any type of way that you're looking at your graphic, a retest is a point that price is just returning back to. And then price goes into a range. Your range is usually your support or resistance. So then price will trade between 148 and 146, or 145 and 148, and you got a range. What's the UJ? And I mean, the government ain't doing nothing for you. Y'all crazy. in a meat coat. He said, hey, yo, year 2500 looking good for the market. Man, it's crazy. Somebody sent me another single. Yeah, they sending me that music pack now. Sending me that music pack now. Oh, man. You ever trade supply and demand? I don't know. I trade support and resistance. I literally trade what I see. A lot of people have a lot of fancy words for things. I just trade what I see. If I see it, then I trade it. If I don't see it, I don't even make the move. But naturally, I know that price has hit low lows. And what I mean is like price hit monthly lows on GU, monthly lows on EU, monthly lows on all of these type of pairs. So with price hitting monthly lows, I already knew like shit, well shit, it's at the monthly low, you feel me? It's bound to shoot back up. And then how fast the market was like literally shot up, like was crazy. You feel me?
It's got on a thing. It's got on a thing.
He said Pepperstone is not accepting US. Yeah, it's not. You got to check and see what broker is going to accept you. You feel me? Look at the countries that the brokers accept. Each broker is different. What broker for US? It's many brokers that accept US clients. You got to choose something that works for you depending on, I mean, are you looking for a regulated or unregulated? The only thing an unregulated broker offers is higher leverage, but I mean, it's unregulated. So you have to move with your own risk. With the regulated broker, they offer lower, you know, spreads, and lower leverage, but it's a regulated broker, you know? So, bro said you made 150K on Friday with that GC and GJ drop. Easy call. I fuck with it. Keep running it up. Keep running it up. Keep running it up. Hey, call out another pair. Let's mark something else up. Let's mark something else up. Top 5 lesson from my wins. Do the same thing that you did before. Shoot the same shot. Follow the same rules. Take the same risk over and over and over. You feel me? Until you're good at taking that same risk and then move up. Yeah, we need to get like 600 to 1,000 people in this bitch though. We're gonna turn up. We already did Euro USD, right? If not, I'll do that shit right now. I do it right now. Right now. We're gonna get on that Rolls Royce energy, or that life could be different. Or nah, I like that going off Bitcoin though. I like that going off Bitcoin really. So we gonna for sure get it cracking like that. He said, hey, thank you for everything you provide. Studying the candlestick video, have 15 pages of notes. Sheesh. Easy call. Hey. Okay, so that's what I see at Euro USD. I already kind of had this marked up.
Hey, a nigga going off the Bitcoins.
I feel like everything is retracing right now.
You can even see the history of my flight plan. Think you wanna talk big, but I'm building. Who can build a community of 500 M's? Who can really be a chief? What you talking about? We be rolling royalty in a golden house. But I still get it popping in a trade house. Trade house made like 16 millions. Ship the whole pack out if you want billions. Bust the currency down like a war buffet.
Hey, let's move to some exotic pairs. I feel like all the Euro USDs and all of that, all the USD pairs will be retracing this week. You feel me? Let's move to some exotic pairs. Start calling out some other shit. Let's get it.
Stock boy, Forex money. T-Rex, don't flex, big champ money. Rockstar lifestyle, off your damn money. She say, fuck me, how to give me that money. I be in another world, fuck your rap money. Fuck your trap money, and your track money. We can trade money in your sleep money. I be locking in the dough before I eat money. I'm about to build that fuck with your seed money. Test my firewall, that's what you not touching. Quarters round me in, quarters know I got the budget. Triangulate your IP if you act funny.
We going up right now. We going up right now. Yo, we about to get them exotic pairs cracking. You feel me? What's good? It's lit with that going on Bitcoin playing. You feel me?
Defense, hit her with that deep end. Market paid like 40 for the frequent. Need that double up, popping for the seats, man.
Somebody said Nasdaq. Bro, we already did Nasdaq.
Brainwash, just a brainwash.
We already did gold.
Flame, but it's easy to the flame. Think it's easy to talk, but if you hard.
Somebody said V-Bucks. Hey, V-Bucks / New Zealand. We could do some New Zealand what? USD DKK. Okay, what the heck? Okay, I never did that one. Let's look at this one. Jeez, the Danish krone? What the joint? What in the what? The what? I mean, when I look at the market, I always look at it like economy versus economy, bruh. I don't know if this shit is powering up just because the US dollar is always probably gonna be more, you know, powerful than this joint. Yeah, it don't even matter what's going on with this shit, huh? Okay, so price rejected off the top. So we got our retrace down to here already. So the retrace already came through. So, oh, then price pushed back up here. So price is here right now. So let's check and see what's going on. This is just me just analyzing the market right now. So I'm trying to see, okay, this is where we at. All right, so if you get a push below, what is this, 6.9? Oh, we can go a little bit closer. If you get a push below here, then you already know you keep selling to this point. Boom, and then possibly this point. So this, so we'll see. Possibility, it's a possibility. Feel me? So this is an ugly pair. I don't even trade this shit, bro. So I'm just looking at trying to read what I read, you know. But then also on top of that, I do see this too. But then price never broke out of this area. So, but it's like a little uptrend. Feel me? So we'll see. Like I said, price gets below 697, was it 6.97735, then you can sell that joint. And if price continues above wherever this is, then shit, it is in a little baby uptrend on this. So it could possibly, oh shit, come on man, come on man, come on man, you can drop that joint on there. So it could possibly come back up to this area again, which is, you know, $7. Or what is that, 7 cents or $7, 7.0, we call it that. I don't know how you pronounce that shit with the whatever this is, whatever this pair is, you feel me? I don't even think it's $1, I think it's like cents or something. Do I take multiple entries or usually one for a pair? Okay, so let me see. It depends, like it depends on my lot size and what my goals are. Like it depends. Feel me? Now, if I'm on some scalper shit, like I need a trade right now shit, cause like a lot of people, like, even though I say fuck these markets and I'm like, oh, I'm not, like, you don't, like, I am more addicted to Forex than you. I got fucking Forex tattooed on my face. Trust me. It just, I developed the control. You know what I'm saying? But shit, like I'm the guy with the Forex on my face, G. Feel me? So, shit, my addiction level to this shit. Feel me? So what I would suggest too is get you some scalper accounts. You know what I'm saying? Make you some scalper accounts as well. That would definitely help you if you got a habit to just pull the trigger. Feel me? Get you some scalper accounts. So if you just can't stop putting in fucking trades, like have your accounts where you doing your daily shit, your weekly shit where you don't touch. You like, yo, this is my don't touch money. Then you got your scalper shit where you like, hey, I'm in this game, G. Like Mike Tyson, I'm trying to fight every day. Trade or die. Break the motherfucking bank. GA. We could do GA. All the pounds were going up, yeah. So I mean, I don't think this one wouldn't not be going up as well. Yeah, look at that. It's getting some pressure off there. Okay. I think somebody had me marking this shit up before. Yeah, it's getting some pressure to the upside. Yeah, it's getting some pressure to the upside. So I guess this was like an old markup, but the price just kind of broke underneath my old little trend line. So now it's back in the channel. I'll just stretch this out a little bit more. Boom. Stretch this out a little bit more. Boom. So going to the 5 minute. We got some bull action right now. So I mean, shit. If price keep getting cracking, the first place is going is 202. So what's this tag right here? Yeah, 202,683. You feel me? US 30. We did NAS 100. That's what I started with. Somebody said trading with a mink coat all the way in the Caribbean. Once my trade became risk free, I looked for other entries. Hey, and that's how you could do it. You feel me? That's how you could do it. That's how you stack your trades, and you just adjust your stop loss and you write it on out. You know, you write it on out. Yeah, they're going crazy in my mentions right now. Yo, hey, if you on here right now, you active, mention me on Instagram right now. Let me see who active. Championship balling. Who got Instagram right now? Let me see who really active on this joint. Hit me on my IG right now. Spam my shit up. What's up? Who active? I'ma fuck with y'all. And also, I'm about to mentor like 2 more people. Feel me? Y'all know how I am with my time. Y'all know how I am with my energy. That's really why I'm hella selective. Like, a lot of people, they're readily available, but like, I'm not the brand that's readily available for you. Like, I'm like the Louis Vuitton of this shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta come correct when you come in here. You know how Louis Vuitton, like, they be looking at you like, nigga, you know you're not supposed to be in this store. You feel me? So, shit, it is what it is though. It's like, I'm one of those brands, you know? I've been building this shit for a long time, so I already dropped my Insta. I'm about to play that. Please stop selling now. But yeah, that's GA. That's what I see on GA. I go check the minute chart, the minute chart, the minute chart. Okay. Yeah, we get a breakout above here. We get a breakout above here. And you already know it's coming to 202. Feel me? So if a break be beyond here, then boom. But like I said, a lot of those pound pairs were going up. He said, man, I've been in your DMs. Hit me. What's up? My DM's been lit. Look, I got my shorty in there trying to get them done. I'm trying to get through them. You feel me? We got a whole team going trying to get through these DMs for y'all. We got you though. Feel me? Let's get it. Oil. Okay, we could do oil. I could do oil. I'm gonna put WTI. Crude. Easy call. We've been catching the shit out of oil. Oil been popping. So hopefully you guys been trading the shit out of oil too. Oil on the weekly. It's at very monthly lows right now. Feel me? Go ahead and, cause it's gonna help me too when I get up in oil this week. So sometimes these analysis, they don't just be helping y'all, they be helping me too. Cause I don't have to like, I already got my analysis cause I've already marked it up with you. So, feel me? So like, it don't just help you, it help me. So this is my monthly. All right, looking left, I already see it's winning this area already. And I'm like, yo, what's that area? 23, and we at $23 right now. Easy call. Going to the daily. All right, so they're trying to keep the price of oil low right now, but we'll see. Feel me? I know price has been making like a little higher highs and shit, but in this case, like, I can't really trade it about. I can't really use like candlestick patterns and all of that shit when it comes to like oil right now, just because of what's going on in the world. So I kind of got to trade what I see and just like move with the times, G. Like, a lot of y'all want to guess right now. It's not, we like, just as a Forex trader, this ain't the guessing time right now. You got to kind of just sit back and let shit happen and then move on shit happening. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I've been eating this week, just by being patient and letting shit play out. I know that they've been trying to push the fucking price of oil low right now. It's all type of shit going on right now. So, you know, like I said, it could, as a monthly, come back to retest this area. It's a possibility that it could come back and retest $20. Feel me? It's a strong possibility. But just as the range that we're in, let me pull this down. So that's the range on oil right now, from $28 to $20. So that's the range. So I mean, it's the 4 hours, so we can be in this range all week, or we can break out of that range. But that's the range we're in of oil. So it could come down to this $20 area. You feel me? It's a strong possibility that it could. This is the range that we're in. You feel me? once it gets down in this area, shit, it come back up to 28 and just keep popping between here all week long, you know. But he said tire trades and exotics pairs for play in heroic difficulties. Hey, facts though, you feel me? It's like you want to get your skills up, go to the exotic shit, you feel me? Heroic difficulties, that's funny. He said lower oil CAD goes down too. Nah, lower oil CAD goes up, which is crazy. But literally how the markets have been moving, they've been doing whatever the fuck they've been wanting to do, and you gotta go in each pair, literally just reading each pair for what it is. And that's that. You know? Do I like trading Asian? That's like 8 or 9 o'clock my time. Not necessarily, you feel me? I like getting in London session. That's my shit, like London. And then if I get like shit, or US or something like that, like between the cross of London and US, that's like my little hot spot. So yeah. Bitcoin. Okay, we could do some Bitcoin. But like I said, I know oil is in that little shit right now, so we'll see. But on the 2, boom, okay. So it could be gathering to turn back around, who knows? But those are lower lows. Feel me? First point that it can go is, what's that? $21. So it's at $23, so I'm thinking it might just pop 21 and then try to reverse back up, or it'll come all the way down to 20 and then start as reverse back up to, oh shit, up to the $28 range. So you kind of gotta like trade oil like that, like know the range of the quote. So when you're looking at your MetaTrader, they have this shit, like they got those quotes right there, and on those quotes it'll tell you like the highs and the lows of the day. So start trying to use those quotes so you can understand what's going on. It's giving you the support and resistance of the day. So just by knowing the quotes, you can kind of already know where the price is if you've been looking at the market, you know? He said, Forex is easy, but far from simple. It's multi-dimensional with a lot of layers. That's very true. It's definitely a lot of layers like an onion, you know? Let's see. Call out something else though. I'm like, what up? They like a bit face ass. Let me get the fuck out of here, Daffy Duck. Elmer Fudd talking. Hey, you know, I'll be on here like an hour though. You feel me? So let's get it. Let's get it. Somebody said put Queen on camera. All right, for sure. She'll be here. Yo, Queen. She want to come in here. I mean, they want to see her. They want to see Queen.
They gotta pay.
They say they gotta pay on God. Y'all crazy.
She ain't free.
He said, please take 30 to 1,000. That shit simple.
You gotta pay to see this little baby.
German 30. Okay, I fuck with German 30. Let me fuck with the German 30. Okay. Okay. I mean, yes and no. I got them little breaks underneath. Oh my. Oh my. Just trying to give me some good SNR to see where I'm at. See where I'm at with it. Okay, 4-hour engulfing. Not necessarily engulfing, but it's kind of already in this area. Somebody donated. Good looking. Oh shit. What's the deal? He said trying to get in the game, studying. I appreciate the dono. Nah, I can't spark right now. I got Queen in that house. When they go on and do their thing, you know what I'm saying? I got all my little air utensils to purify my area. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, when they go on, I do my thing, you know? But yeah, yo, Jermel, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Do some other crypto pairs. So that's what I see what's going on with German 30 right now. I know that in a downtrend, it's boom, boom. It's kind of already then went down and it's here doing this thing, so it could keep dropping down, feel me? Whatever this point is, I'll go ahead and put tags on those if it continues dropping. Right now it's showing me red. I'm gonna go off of what it's showing me, so those are the tickets for that if it continues dropping. So let me pull this over to the center so y'all can see. There we go. There we go. So. He said, did somebody actually pay to see the baby? Yeah, crazy. Come here, Queenie. This side, this side, this side. Hey, 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 hey. What's up? Say hi. Say hi. Wave. Wave. Say, start counting. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9. 9. All right, call another pair out though. Call another. She said 9. Call another pair out. What's the deal?
bye.
Perfect time for you to set that Twitch channel. Oh God, I got the Twitch. Yo, all right, so I'm about to give you guys my Twitch right now. I don't really be on there a lot, but just so you can start following me on Twitch too, and I start building that up. I hit 100K on Facebook too, so I mean, follow me on my socials. Stay connected on all my socials. I'm gonna try to stay connected with you guys as well. You feel me? He said, pulls my gang. He said, Prophet just sitting there until the market open. Easy call. Hey, what is your favorite pair? Let me know in the comment section as well. So this the S&P. See that shit just dropping. S&P 5. Feel me? That joint just dropping. So, I mean, shit. I mean,
Yellow.
if that's a crazy possibility, but it's there, and that's a hell of a possibility. That is crazy. I mean, that's there though. You know what I'm saying? That's the 4. That's the 4. So I mean, if we just trading what we see, bro, that's what we see. That's what we see. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not, bro, markets, the charts never lie. And the news and everything else, everybody will tell you all sorts of things. As an economist and looking at what I see, I'm only looking at what I see, and I see what I see. So this is the S&P 500 too, for you guys asking. So it's on a hell of a downtrend right now. Hell of a downtrend right now. Hey, okay, baby Forex. Oh, you guys follow me on Twitch right now? Easy call. I see the notifications cracking. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate the follows. Follow me on YouTube. I mean on YouTube. On me. If you're not subscribed, follow me. Make sure you. Yeah, I'm gonna be. I like Dale Dimmadome. You know that one dude on what's that King of the Hill? Boomhauer. They like, well, you like Boomhauer out here. Let's call out another pair as well. Do I think we're going in a recession? I don't know. I'm looking at the charts and the market's still crashing, bro. That's the S&P 500. And that's what I see. So I mean, it is what it is. We got that free trading group, the TRADDEEE trading group on Facebook. Y'all can get in there too. I got you. I got you with the Bitcoin. Let's get on Bitcoin real quick. I got you on Bitcoin. Okay. So, okay. All right, go in there with your mom. She going there. She got the controller. She thinks she about to play some Fortnite right now. Okay. So I did see Bitcoin with retracing. Already had that joint retracing.
We do.
Come on. He said we're already in a recession, just mass different. He said I don't think US 30 going up this week, bro. I'm looking at it, bro. That shit crazy right now. Bitcoin showing red right now, but I mean that's for right now. I know that yeah, it's just gonna have to show us. And really, it's not even where that SNR is at. It's really up here. So price is really in this little range right here. So between 5983 and 63, that's the range Bitcoin is in. So I mean, we'll see what it does on this pressure right here. If it doesn't break to the downside, then Bitcoin will push up back to that 6,300 area. But you know how Bitcoin move, and if it's ranging like this, then shit, I mean, it's nothing to bounce between, you know, this little range up. Queenie. There's nothing to bounce between this little range up and down until it breaks out, you know? It breaks out of the range of 59.83 and 63.09. He said, I got 3 accounts and want to hit 100. That's easy. He said, since when do you trade Forex, Ty? Shit, I don't even know. I'm gonna be like Wayne. What's Forex? Oh, Bitcoin moving to the upside right now. We'll see. That's the only market that's moving. Feel me? So we'll see if it gets back up into this range. But if not, like I said, if it breaks under this little area, it'll keep coming down. But it's held right here right now, so I think it's gonna go ahead and smack, you know, this little area. No, I still haven't found the 2 people I'm gonna work with yet. People have been hitting me up, you feel me? Sending in all type of stuff. He said refuse to use anything Facebook, spy agency. But on Facebook, shit, I fuck with Facebook. I just crossed 100K fans on them joints, you feel me? So like at first the reason I switched over to YouTube because Facebook was tripping on my check, nigga. Like I was streaming and shit, doing all type of streams, and we was doing crazy numbers, especially with GTA and Fortnite and shit. They was tripping, so we like, I'm about to go to YouTube, take my talents to YouTube. So then that's what made me come over to YouTube and start doing YouTube heavily, you know, Facebook. But then it's like, then Facebook was like, yo, T, like I see you over on YouTube, like come back to Facebook one time for us. And it's like, I'm gonna come back and rock with y'all too, you feel me? So now we got both social joints cracking, you know. US knock. All right, I'm gonna get the knock cracking for you right now. Let me see. He said they paying on me. He said USA will take up the stock market this weekend. The governments, they can't let the market get that low, so they start giving low interest rate loans. Yeah, the banks are trying to bail themselves out right now. It's a lot of, like I said, it's 2 people who play in the monopoly, and everybody else are, you know, what are those game board pieces called? Pawns? I think that's what it's called. You got the banks, which do what they do, which is you know, inflate rates or print, you know, extra notes if the banks run out of money. And then you got the, you know, the real estate guys, and you know, if you land on Boardwalk, you got to pay up. If you land on any of those spots, you got to pay up. So you got to check, you know, see, check what side you want to be on. All right, go in there with mommy, okay? You gonna play the game soon? Hey, cut it out, Queenie. All right, call out another pair though. Let's get it. Call out another pair. He said, I'm trying to see. Kiwi Cat, got you. All right, that shit bleeding red right now. I always like to look at the. Okay, there we go. So that's what I see on a monthly. So. This on some monthly shit. It's already had its retest area. That was a retest area. It's already came down to retest. Okay. Which is a monthly low. So it's the reason for the retest, or it's the reason why the market is pushing back right now, because even when it's dropping, it has to boom, just like over here, drop. These are just big retests. Feel me? But still, you know, that's why the market's pushing back up. So it could come up to here, which is, and this is on the monthly too, so 82, all right, 0.82. All right, so let's see. Let's go ahead and go into the day. All right, we delete this off. So we still getting that push. Getting a lot of green, but then we got a lot of wicks, so we just kind of got to see what it does. If price breaks this area, it will keep dropping. But right now, shit, I feel like it could possibly be on this retest. This is why. And I see bull pressure right here. And you're like, what do you mean? Like, because when you're reading the candlestick, like each candlestick means something. Like if the market is going up, or like this one right here, what this means is basically the market went up, pushed down, and price just kind of stopped here. You feel me? But I'm looking at this, I see I could take these high points right here as a slight reversal. So I mean, it's a strong possibility. Maybe if you got your little harmonic scanner or some shit, the harmonic scanner might pick this up. You feel me? Just because it's really good at picking up these type of crab patterns, and like they got like, you know, butterflies and bats and dragons and all type of stuff. So Gartley's, this isn't a Gartley though. So when you guys are studying like harmonics, there's different type of harmonics. So you should be able to, like, the more you study these things, the easier it is to be able to see the market and stuff like that, you know. But I showed you monthly because I always like looking at shit on the monthly. I love long-term trading. I let you guys know that all the time. But definitely, I mean, just I'm running all these things through I'm running all this for basically so you guys can see what's going on in my head. So you're like, oh, why is he making that analysis? Like, that's what I see. That's what's going on. So we're getting that green pressure up right there. So even if we were to put this back on there, you're like, oh man, is it really retracing right now? Like, you're getting that green on the 15, you're getting that green on the 5. Feel me? It's wicking up. So you got a slight retracement on the way. Feel me? So we'll see. But on the monthly, like I said, let's take everything off. It's already smacked this point. It could keep dropping, you feel me? But it's on this retesting period right now. So currently the market is retesting right now. Although on the monthly, we are still in a downtrend, okay? All right. So what's next? Oh, they said Ethereum. Okay, we could do Ethereum. And I'm gonna go ahead and play Life Could Be Different. Or should we do Rolls Royce Energy? Hey, which one? Rolls Royce Energy or Life Could Be Different? Life could be different.
Yo, life could be different, you dig? Like, a lot of people wake up every single morning, shit, do the same thing every single day and expect different results, you know what I'm saying? And that's the definition of insanity. It's crazy. Life can be different. Fuck all that wishing, go get on your grind. People be talking, but fuck what they say. Better stay on your hustle, little nigga, to shine. Niggas
hey, call out one more pair.
Yeah, that mean go hard every day.
Oh, Ethereum.
Get on your goals. Life could be different. Fuck all that wishing. Niggas got wish lists, please, bitch. Straight to the chauffeur, got places to be. Studs on my feet. That's money on steps every time that I speak. That's money in packs every day of the week. Forex on face so incredible ways. Bitch, fuck all that trap and a chain, bitch. You on a block and a blade, bitch. I make my money do the same shit. Pimpin' markets every Monday through Friday. Hop in the whip, drop the top and right violent. Lane to lane when I whip, I rewider. Get the fuck out of my way, bitch. You wanna get by a train, bitch. Niggas be slaving. I mean, do what you do for that minimum wage, bitch. Put the money up and it's straight to the bank. Now it's straight to the bank and I'm loving my life and it's straight to the charts while I'm fucking my wife and I'm straight off a flight, but we posted in 5. Can't follow my moves, not moving online. Can't follow my jewels, I drop jewels in my line. But if jewels on the line, call a jeweler surprise. Got deals with my woes, we need to supply. If we talking supply, then the stocks on the rise in the game. She naked a lot. Niggas be having that shit on they charts, but I like my bitch naked with thong on her thighs. That's a visitor's package where everything slide. Straight up the lot with the locks on the side. And it still fuck the ops on wild like a lion. And still fuck the ops on wild like I'm Tyson. Please don't touch me, I'm hot like a wire. It dropped on the pores on fires, but please stay back. We stay with the iron, we asking for peace, but I'm reckless and tired. I'm snatching off rings and reckless and tired. My mask will fuck up when I'm bored from you liars, bitch. Work time is over, you're fired. We walked in the Nasdaq and turned on the fire. I'll turn up the furnace, control of the market and master the earnings. Life can be different, fuck all that wishing, go get on your grind. People be talking, but fuck what they say, better stay on your hustle.
All right, so they're like, well, what'd you do? So we're just marking Ethereum Ethereum USD up. So I went to the monthly, right? That was the first thing I did. I went to the monthly. I found myself a range between 132 and 298. So that was a monthly range for myself. Okay, cool. I went into the daily and was like, okay, cool. I wanted to see where we're at currently. Right now, I see a lot of bear pressure right here. So after a big bear move, there's the retest, and that's what's going on right now. So we're in this part right now. If it is going to continue being bears, right? So then I went into, what's that? The 3 hour or whatever time frame I went into and found myself another range. I found myself this little bearish pendant right here. We are in the bearish trend right now. You feel me? So I know it's a bearish pendant right now. So this in between of the ranges 123, I said at 123, that's why I marked this right here, gave myself some room. At 123, I know the market could fall back to this area right here first, which is 115. But if not, if we do not get bears, if the bears do not continue, if the market starts to rebound, starts to retrace and starts to pull back like you see it's pulling back right now, you feel me? Shit, if it never hits 123, then you should be looking toward for the buy just because it's in this little range right here until it breaks out. And then that area where it should get to was 132. So if it does not, like I said, if it does not break out of its range, you feel me, then you should be looking for that buy just because it's in that little pennant right now. All right. So let's get it. We started off with NAS 100 though. We started off with NAS 100. That was literally the first pair. You feel me? That was the first pair. But yo, hey, I'm trying to link with y'all. Follow me on Instagram and shit. You know, I'm about to hop off. Y'all went crazy on the gram. You feel me? Y'all went crazy on the gram. Y'all went crazy on the gram. I appreciate the mentions and shit. I fuck with y'all heavy. Fuck with y'all heavy. I see y'all mentioning the boy. Y'all fucking with me from the live. Easy call. And y'all got the story mentions going up. See, that's what I rock with, man. That's what I rock with. You feel me? I fuck with the with just, you know, you guys showing support and all of that. So shit, I'm still getting orders out. You feel me? This fucking quarantine shit been fucking up a lot of just me moving and getting orders to everybody, but we still getting trade game merch out to everybody. I've been doing a lot of shit myself just cause fuck it, like, you feel me? I'm a hustler, man. I got to get this shit done. You feel me? So I'm getting everything out to everybody. What else? Shit, more music on the way. We got iTrade about to drop soon. That was produced by Kizzy as well. You guys, you seen what we made, and I mean coat, but shit, I didn't show you the iTrade track. So you know, we got the iTrade coming for you guys as well. And that's what it's gonna be, you feel me? So it's your boy Ty, man. And like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram and all of that. He said life could be different. All of the songs is available to buy, man. You feel me? But all of those, just like I said, show love, show support, man. Keep reaching out. Let's get it. I'm gonna answer a few more questions. Like I said, I answer a few more questions, and I'm gonna hop up out of this bitch. What's good? He said, for long-term trading, do you trail and stop and take profit? Also, are you adding on to positions once in profit? When I'm trading long-term, what's cool about long-term trading is, yes, I am trailing, stopping it, and just kind of letting that shit ride. But then also I'm trading the inverses as well. And what I mean is, like, when the price does get to a higher high, I'm on another account scalping that bitch up and down, up and down, up and down. Like I said, like, I got Forex tattooed on my face. A lot of people, they think that, like, nigga, shit, look, I'm not looking at charts all day, but when I am, I am. You feel me? Shit. So, what are your thoughts on Renko? I think any way that you're able to read the market, man, is, you know, if you can read it and you can make money, then cool. I feel like you should have your own strategy, develop your own thing. Me personally, I just don't like shit on my charts. I like my charts empty. You feel me? I like them naked, booty naked with the oil. You know what I'm saying? This nigga crazy. But man, he said don't spam. I already got you. How long have you been trading Forex? Go watch my videos. You want to know anything else about Forex? Go watch my videos. I already did gold. Hey man, it's your boy Time out of this bitch. So y'all asking the same questions, but I'm gonna see y'all, man. Y'all stay up. Feel me? Appreciate everybody for tuning in today. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hey, and everybody in the chat and the comments, make sure we're gonna go out with a trade gang. What's the deal? You feel me? And she said, gang, it's lit. It's lit. I'm see y'all though. Y'all stay up. Peace. Oh, I'm about to stream on Twitch. I'm about to stream on Facebook too. So I don't know if y'all like the video games. I've been, you feel me, doing all type of streams. I've been doing my video games on Facebook. I've been doing streams on every platform. So that's my Facebook joint too. It's your boy